transmissions. Cars usually weigh in at about 35 to 3,600 pounds. Again, they use a 9-inch wide maximum tire, so not really that big of a contact hatch, especially when you consider how fast some of these cars run. So again, you will see Chevrolet COPO Camaro, COPO standing for Central Office Production Order. That's how these cars originally got to be made. The Ford Cobra Jet Mustang and the Mopar Drag Pack Challenger. So the first car to roll the starting line in a single pack is Glenn Peitschke. Peitschke out of Bellevue, Florida, the 2018 model COPO. So he'll stage up on a single pack here.